Hi everyone, I am Akhil Katti and in this video I will show you how I built a master detailed report using Oracle BI Publisher in Oracle Fusion HCM. This type of report is very useful when you want to display employee details along with their assignment history in a single output, and it's commonly used in real-time technical projects. Let me first I create a new data model in BI Publisher. Here we go. Uh, Give me a second. Reports analytics. So we will go to browse catalog. First, I create a new data model in BI Publisher. Here uh, well, here I will add two SQL queries. One will be the header. Let me name it as header for clear understanding. Header, and let me select data source as application DB HCM, and let me write the query. Here I have already written query. Let me copy and paste it. The notepad I have written it already. Copy, let me paste it here and let me save it. So one for the header, and this is the header which gives basic employee details like first name, last name, person number, and start date, etc. And this is the person number parameters which we should select. Actually I select it, and yeah, this will be displayed in the search box actually. And the parameter type will be, I will select text only. I will add one more data set as I have mentioned earlier. This will be for lines, and data source will be the same HCM, and its query SQL query will be this. Also I have written earlier as lines query. Let me copy and paste it there. Well, here goes our two SQL queries are ready, lines and headers. So basically, this second one data set lines is actually which gives assignment details like action code, assignment name, and start or end dates. These queries which I have written uses the standard tables names actually, like Paral person F and Paral person per person names F, and also the Paral assignments underscore M. So these are the standard tables names which I have used in my queries. Here you can see I am selecting this and dragging it to the person ID in the lines query. So you can see there is a link joined here from G1 to G2. So to connect both queries, I used a master detail relationship by linking the person ID field from the header to the lines query. As you can see here, I have linked it, and this allows BI publisher to show all assignments related to a single employee. I will show it. Okay, let me save it first. So let me give it the name as a sample. So after saving the model queries, I am going to the data tab to view the output. Let me give a random person number as 99, and let us see his details. The here you can see uh, employee details appear at the top here, and below that we have a list of assignment records for that employee. This confirms our master detail report is working correctly. So now we can create a report. Let me save it as a sample data. Well, now create a report. So I am going with the wizard report layout, or you can also go with the Word RTF template. This layout will show the header, which shows the employee information, followed by the reporting lines, assignment information. We can then export the reports in PDF or Excel or HTML formats as we required. So let me drag and drop here. Well, we can preview the report here, as you can see. Well, we have got the view. Now I will go to the finish. Let me save it as the final sample, or simply just a sample report. Okay, let me save it. Now, first of all, you can see nothing here. By entering the person number, you can see the data of the employees. Here we go. The person whose number is 99, these are the details, his person employee name, employee details, and the assignments which he has gone through. And let me go another number. So this is another number, another person's details. Let me go with another number. So this is another person's details. So these are the basic details which we have. We can also export the data through this export menu and save it as into PDF format, whichever we like, and we can share it and use it as whatever we want. So basically, this was a quick demo of how to create a master detailed BI publisher report in Oracle Fusion HCM. I'm actively learning and sharing more hands-on reporting concepts. Feel free to connect with me here on LinkedIn or in YouTube if you are also learning in Oracle Cloud, Fusion HCM, or BI publisher. Thanks for watching. Thank you.